In this video, you'll learn how to reset the password of your Binance account. This process will guide you through the steps necessary to regain access to your account by creating a new password securely. Begin by navigating to the Binance login page. Once there, locate and click on the option labeled Forgot Password. This action will initiate the password reset process. You will then be prompted to enter your registered email address or phone number associated with. After entering your information, complete any captcha or security checks that may appear. This is a necessary step to verify that you are not a robot. After completing the security checks, request the password reset code. This code will be sent to the email address or phone number you provided. Check your email inbox or text messages for the verification code. It is crucial to keep this code confidential and avoid sharing it with anyone as it grants access to reset your password. Next, return to the password reset interface and enter the verification code you received. After entering the code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that is unique and not reused from previous passwords. Follow the password strength guidelines provided, which usually include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time, then submit the change securely. Once your password has been successfully updated, log in using your new credentials. Upon logging in, it is advisable to enable or review your two-factor authentication settings to enhance your account's security. Additionally, take a moment to check your recent account activity for any unauthorized actions. If available, log out from all devices to ensure your account is secure. Finally, update any necessary security settings and save your new password in a secure location. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.